Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to divide a cell into two parts in Microsoft Excel like this. I have redrawn this table over here so that I can demonstrate how this can be accomplished. First, let me show you that if we try to write something right in the middle of the cell, we won't be able to place our cursor in the middle. It's working only at the bottom. First, let me right click over here, go to Format Cell Options. Here we have Style Options. If we click in this diagonal line, you can see the cell has been divided into two parts. Click OK. And again, if you come over here and try to write something in the middle or in the top, you won't be able to write it. In order to get around this problem, you just need to place your cursor right at the bottom of the cell, and from your keyboard press Alt and Enter together. And here you can see now we can place our cursor at the bottom as well as at the top. So let me write over here days, and below I can write months. Let's push back the months to the right corner of the table, and you can place your cursor right behind the days and press spacebar from your keyboard so that days could be moved ahead. And now you can see we have divided this cell into two parts. Over here you can enter months like January, and now you can just drag it down to fill in the rest of the cells. Here we go. I hope you have learned something new in this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.